So Delta Exchange just launched prediction market, and this is to me one of the simplest way to trade crypto and start making money without no complex contracts. And that is exactly what I'll be showing you in this video. I'll be showing you how to take advantage of the prediction market. And as at the time of making this video, this prediction market option or this prediction market feature is only available on the Delta Exchange mobile app, and you can download the mobile app using a link in the video description right now and start taking advantage of it. So I'm already inside of my mobile app, and you can see the announcement here showing you that prediction market is available. And down here where you have these menus, you can see the option that says predict. You can go ahead. If I go to market, if you click on this market option right here, at the top, you equally see predict right here. And if you click on the predict option right there, it takes you to the prediction interface where you can actually start trading. And the best part is with just $1, you can start trading. And if I go ahead and show you an example, let's say I go ahead and type $1. But before we go, this is for BTC. This prediction is for BTC. Currently, what Delta offers is you can predict in the next 15 minutes what BTC, if BTC is going to go down or is going to go up. You can carry out this prediction on BTC and Ethereum. And if it is above, you can see the prices here, or you can just select Ethereum and select whether it's going to go up or down. Now, if I use the current one here, that will actually expire at 2 p.m. as at the time of making this video. If I go ahead and use this will expire in 3 minutes actually, because you see my time there is about 1:57 p.m. and now it's 2 p.m. So if I go ahead and put in $1 here, another thing we can do is look at the chart. That by default, what you see here is the line chart. If we want to change that to the candle, we just click on the candle stick option right here, and that will go ahead and open up that. By default, it is showing us this in 30 minutes. So let me see if I can join this. Will BTC go above 63K? What's the current price? The current price is 63,100. So in 2 minutes, are we going to go below 63? Now, if I come down here and put in $1, that's the minimum you can start with. Or you can go ahead and select from this their default investment amount right here. But the minimum is $1. That's the whole essence of me showing you this. So if I go ahead and select $1 and I say yes, the payout will be just $1, right? The payout will be just $1. And once it comes down to 1 minute, you can no longer join the market. That's why it's giving us this warning up here. So anything from 2 minutes and above, you can join the market. But here, because the price is already above 63,100. So if you now say, well, and the question is, will BTC go above 63K? We're already above that, right? So if you say no, in 1 minute, I don't think this thing will go below 63K. So you're going to lose. But the no always gives you higher return. So it means that this $1 can actually give you about $19 in return. This is the payout you're going to get, $19 in return. And at the time of making this video too, everything here is zero fee. You don't pay any fee while trading the prediction market. So one thing we can do, I always look for the option to get a no as an answer, right? Because that's where the money is. I've seen an option that turns a $5 to about $400. So I always choose the no for an answer. So that has expired. So the next thing, this always recycle every 15 minutes. So for now, the only time that is available is 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes, that's what that is available. So if I go ahead and select Ethereum, what did you say? Contract expired. So yeah, we'll go and choose another one. So let's go to Ethereum. And what are the prices? This is not updating. So all right, I think that just updated. So for it, we just selected it, and in the next 15 minutes, so it has reset again, right? So will Ethereum in 15 minutes, will Ethereum go above 1,865 or 1,870 or 1,875? You can go ahead and look at the chart on all time frames and choose whatsoever that you want. If you're going with yes, as I said earlier, if I go ahead and say I want to actually stake $5 here, with a yes, you get back exactly the same amount, and then with a no, look at that, you can turn $5 to $35. So what is that? The strike price here is above 1,865, right? Above 1,865, and the current price is 1,868. So if it goes below in 15 minutes, that's why I always wait maybe like 3 minutes, 4 minutes to the closing. I will not know if this market is going to go down or not. That's how and I always go for the no. That's my own personal preference, right? But with the years, you can actually still make money. You can still make profit from it. But the no will always give you higher return. All right. The no will always give you higher return. So if I say no, it means that in 15 minutes that Ethereum is going to go below 1,865. 1,000. If we get it at 864, I'll still be a winner and still make money. If we get it at 860, let's say 64.5, I will still be a winner in this game, right? So that's why I always wait when it is 2 3 minutes to close to the not 2 minutes, right? When it's 3 minutes, when it's 2 minutes, you can still join. When it's 5 minutes, I just go ahead and see if the market will be going down or up. Okay, so for the purpose of this demonstration, let me just go ahead and add a dollar right here. And if I add a dollar, which is the minimum, and I go ahead and say yes, and then go ahead and confirm that. So you see that the order is submitted successfully and our order is filled, and you will see it right here. So your order will be showing up here. If you are making profit, you will see it here. If you are making losses, you will see it here. And here's the best part is that you don't even need to wait for the whole 15 minutes. If at any point I just see that this is going in my favor, and maybe if I wait till the close of the time what we've been given, the 15 minutes, I'll be losing money. I can just go ahead and just close my position where it's a book profit. Right now, I'm up already 0.4%. And if I go ahead and book profit, it means that I'll be closing this with a $1.4 profit, right? So depending on the amount you put in, you can just go ahead or you just wait for the time to expire and your profits and your capital will automatically be returned to your account. So that's how all of this actually works. I hope this video is helpful. Go and try out the prediction market. It's one of the easiest way to make some quick cash for yourself with the Delta Exchange. So once again, the link to sign up for a Delta Exchange account will be in the video description. If you're on Telegram, I post this very often there, so you can take advantage of it there and make money for yourself. Let's see if we can close this with maybe a 1, a 2%, a 3%, and it goes on. Go and take advantage of this. Right? This is one of the quickest way to make money in the crypto space. A lot of you are used to binary option trading, so this is just like it. And what I can just say is Delta Exchange should add more time, like 5 minutes, the 1 minute, and it goes on so that people can just choose. Those who want to do, let's say, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, can equally go ahead and take advantage of that. All right, just a quick recap. It is prediction market. It is not complex. It is very straightforward stuff. So you just come to Delta Exchange, go into your app, and then go to the predict market. You just see that at the time of making this, I'm already making profit. Just imagine that I put in $25 or $50 in this. That's exactly what this would have translated to. So it means I would have been making 0.8% of $25 or $50 or whatever amount of money that I add here. As at the time of making this video, for now, there is no fee. You're not paying any fee trading the prediction market, and you can start with as little as $1 and start predicting if the market is going to go up or down. You can see that mine is increasing already. We are 1% plus already. And another thing is for just Ethereum and BTC as at the time of making this. There's a new product, so as we progress, I believe that these guys will continue to add more features to it, and you can switch between the line chart and then the candlestick chart, and you can select from any of these expiration time that they put here and go ahead and predict, and you can close this trade anytime that you want. This is available on the mobile app as at the time of making this video, and these guys are actually working towards making it available on the web as well. So go and try that and start making quick money for yourself. If you want to learn more, make sure you join us on Telegram. The link will be in my bio in the video description, and I will see you guys in the next video. By the way, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that so that whenever I publish new updates like this, you'll be the first to be notified.